To me, the challenge of catching one difficult fish is much more rewarding than catching 20 fish that are easy. It's a very special experience, and it gets the blood going and the adrenaline pumping. It makes you come back day after day. The Upper Missouri River is unique for many reasons. Sometimes you're here and you just look around and marvel at the beauty and grandeur of this area. The Upper Missouri Watershed is the confluence of three rivers, the Jefferson, the Madison, and the Gallatin, that come together at a place called Three Forks and proceed downstream to Great Falls, Montana. Umowa, the Upper Missouri Watershed Alliance, was founded in 2013 with the premise that we would be dedicated to collecting scientific data that have a direct bearing on the health and future of this river system. Our main focus has been on data surrounding the insect life in the river. They're the key to the entire ecosystem. What we found is that the success of the insect population is directly dependent on water flow and water temperature. The major problem and issue that faces this river system today is the increased growth of aquatic plants in late August and September. The plant growth over the last few years has been so dense that there are places in the river very difficult for a boat to float through and nearly impossible to fish. Umowa has undertaken the responsibility to determine whether these are native plants or invasive species and to find out the cause of this plant growth to hopefully come up with a solution to remedy this problem. The Missouri is the longest river system in the country, and what happens here affects hundreds of millions of people downstream. The Upper Missouri Watershed Alliance is continuously monitoring what is going on in this river relative to aquatic insects, fish health, stream bank structure, and so forth. The future of this river system is dependent upon individuals who care about its future and stewardship. That is Umowa. That's all we do, and we are committed to continuing our work. I fish this river probably 80 days a year, and the variety of the experiences that this river offers, the fishing, of course, wildlife viewing, mountain scenery, large open prairie environments are magical, and the day does not go by on the Missouri River that you do not see something unique and special that enhances your experience. Please help us protect and preserve this extraordinary river system.